Hi friend, welcome. Today we will be creating the viral rose braid cornrow, rose braid design, rose braids, braided rose, whatever you choose to call it. So I start off by making the point where I want the rose to start. That line is slightly, ever so slightly curved, and then I make this incision inwards. Incision, how sophisticated. So I make that line and just make this shape on both sides. It ends up looking like a clay pot, like the one I have in that picture. So you have the slimmer neck and a wider rim, and then the rounded or the not too rounded bottom, yeah, to have this final shape. So I use shine and jam to lay the edges so that you can see the line very well. After this, I am going to proceed to braid the hair, not braid. I will section the hair into three equal pieces, and you will see the way I do it. So make a line getting into the sharp corner where you slanted that, and then make like an S in the middle. You're going to do this on the two sides. Try to ensure that the shape in the middle has like a bigger circular on top and then slimmer space down, just like a lollipop. This is because we are going to make that curved like the spiral braid inside of that circle. So it is going to look like this. Then I will proceed to braid the two sides. After that, you will see me braid the middle one, and I'll come back with the explanations from there. So now that I was done braiding, I looked at the rows and felt like it was too long, like it was too slender and long. So I was imagining it looking a little bit shorter, and I felt it would be cute. So I went ahead and just loosed it and reduced the length just like this. So hopefully watch the video to this point before logging off. So I reduced it and it looked nice. It looked nice, baby. I have a gift for you. Hmm. I appreciate you watching my channel. This is a gift from me to you. May your day be wonderful. May your heart be happy. So at this point, I think we are going to continue and make the like the green part under the rose, like the rose I just gave you, the green leaves under. So I use, because I am not making a complete hairstyle, this would have been braided into another section, but I am not making a complete hair. If you are making a complete hair, the section I was gluing with braided gel would have been included in the braid, so it will be out of the way. So I just use shine and jam to like shift the excess hair away so that you can see what I am doing. I repeated this on both sides and then braided them down, and oh my god, was it beautiful. This is so cute, and surprisingly, this is really easier than like butterfly braid. Okay, hard braid might be actually easier, but this is easier than butterfly braid. This is easier than dollar sign. This is easier than the 3 or 4 petals flower. So I already have all these tutorials on this channel, like the butterfly one. The like I have so much shapes on the channel. Just look around, you'll see so much interesting things. I see this braided rose becoming like, you know, those butterfly box braid where you have several of it all over the hair. It is possible that that might actually trend. If you're interested in trying it, try it and let me know how it goes. Do not tell me to try it. I don't want to really first stress myself and make that, but you get what I mean. After this, I just braided both of them down and then left all, started off from the middle, like those 3 legs on top. I started braiding them down and then fed the tails from the leaves into it. You're going to see me do that, and with that the tutorial will end. Please leave a thumbs up if you like it, and I appreciate every time you spend on this channel. And for those people that go and come back, god bless you. It means everything to me. You validate my stress of thinking up of style and just everything I do. You just make it worth it. Thank you so much, so much. Thank you.